In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Hypertechno remix taking this song to this, including these elements.
I've been everywhere, man.
So I came across this studio acapella,
I've been everywhere, man.
which is really clean. So just copy the URL and head over to Audimee and drop in the link, picking a song, and find a cover model. Rihanna, her voice is kinda soul afro-ish.
Can you blow my mind?
So let's try this one. And hit convert. We got the
I've been
acapella ready.
everywhere, man. Looking for someone who can
Download
please
it
me.
and drop it in FL Studio. Then we just need to fit it to the tempo. So type in 128 and fit it to 150. The tempo of Hypertechno. So then I dropped in the original to get the timing right.
I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. Looking for
Something
you,
like this.
babe.
And I also rendered out another one
I've been everywhere, man.
with
Looking
slightly
for you,
different
babe.
settings
Look,
to morph the vocals, because sometimes,
babe.
like here, it can be a little bit off, so we can vocal comp them together. First we need to lay down the chords of the breakdown, so drop in a new Serum and pick a preset from the new Hyper pack. Let's use this basic reese sound and start off on the root note. Go up to the third note of the scale.
I've been everywhere, man. Looking for someone who.
And back to the sixth and seventh note of the scale.
I've been everywhere, man.
Something like
Looking
this.
for someone who can please me and love me all night long.
So then just drop in this ambience from the pack. And layer it with another one. And pitch it in key. So just 4 semitones down.
I've been everywhere, man. Looking for someone
Makes it a bit more interesting.
who can please me and love me all night.
Then drop in the down lifter.
I've been everywhere, man. Looking for someone who can please me and love me all night long. I've been everywhere, man. Looking for you,
And
babe.
uplifter.
Looking for you, babe. Searching for you, babe.
So that will be the first part of the song. Then just copy it over and add in some other synth elements. So just layer it with this Medusa kind of synth. Something like this. And then another one, the same MIDI. Let's go for this stutter one. Really add some more energy and bounce to it.
For you, babe. Searching for you, babe.
Besides that, we're gonna start off the build up right
For you,
here.
babe. Where have you been?
Just drop in a build up loop from the pack.
Where have you been? 'Cause I never see you. Are you hiding from me? Somewhere in the crowd.
So right there is the part that we need to vocal comp.
Somewhere in the crowd.
Yeah, that's way better. So then just quickly mix it.
Where have you been?
First song compression.
Where have you been?
Cue it by getting rid of the low end. Bit of reverb and delay.
Where have you been? Where have you been?
Yeah, that's already way better. So now we need to match the volume.
Are you hiding from me? Are you hiding from me?
Just like this. Since it's a build up, I also want to automate the mod wheel. Let it open up. Like this.
Are you hiding from me?
So then just drop in the other
Are you
elements.
hiding from me? Are you hiding?
reverb on the stutter. And then mix in the build-up loop. And drop in the end the smile on the master to finish it off. Same for a low-cut automation. Like this. So that's it for the breakdown. Now we're gonna dive the drop. Let's use this big kick. And create a sidechain bus. Route the vocal to it. And the synths as well. In the second part, we're gonna drop back in the synths. Like this. So with a kick, it sounds like this. Then we're gonna drop in the bass from the pack. So again, a new Serum. And work on the bass. So for the first part, I want to use a different MIDI. I want to go from the roots to the 6th to the 7th, which is a bit more energetic than the progression we have in the breakdown. It also makes it a bit more unique and pick up bass sounds. Yeah, this one could really work well. Let's see how it sounds. Yeah, bringing that energy already. Then add some distortion. And I think an R bass. Like this. Then mix it in together with a kick. So first route a kick to a mixer channel and set it to around -6 dB. Pick just around here, sounds perfect. And then just mix in the vocal on top. Yeah, just like this. Already giving that Hypertechno vibe. Then just automate the mod wheel to keep it interesting. We are automating a lot of stuff in the tracks just to keep it interesting. So then just randomly automate the mod wheel to create some slight movement. Then just duplicate it. Make the bass unique and follow the original progression. Like this. Sounding like this. Then also make a small fill with a low-cut automation we have right here. Use a crest for it as well. Just drop in one from the pack. Like this. Then make it unique and hit reverse. Then we're gonna copy over the ups and down lifters, like this. And add some synth steps to it. So head over to the step section. Of course, we're gonna use an acid sound. And follow the melody. New mixer channel. Enough reverb and delay. And route it to the sidechain bus. Then duplicate it and finish it off with a wobble. Let's use this basic one. Yeah, that's perfect. We got almost all the elements done, but we only need to add some drums. So head over to the head loops. I think this one could work really well, so just drop it in. Yeah, that's perfect. So we included all the elements of a Hypertechno drop. I think we put out a really dope result in just a small amount of time, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you want to check out Audimee to create your own cover vocals, royalty free, it's linked down below as well. I fixed the discount code for you guys as well, so besides that, the pack is linked down below as well. And I see y'all in the next videos.
Where have you been? 'Cause I never see you out.